Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Teaching and Learning STEM Concepts. Today in this video, we are going to solve the missing number in the given math puzzle. In the given problem, the figure 1 represents a number 2 and the figure 2 represents a number 4. Then we need to find out the missing number in the given figure 3. Now look at the figure 1. In this figure 1, we have 1, 2, two horizontal lines. Two lines are parallel to each other. So there are two parallel lines and one more vertical line is intersecting these two parallel lines. So children, at how many points this vertical line is intersecting these two parallel lines? Have a close observation and tell me at how many points it will intersect. Yes, the vertical line is intersecting these two parallel lines at 2 points. What are the 2 points? This is 1 and this is 2. So here, how many parallel lines are there? That's right, there are 2 parallel lines. And how many intersecting lines are there? Yes, there is only one intersecting line. So there are 2 parallel lines and one vertical line which is intersecting these two parallel lines. So 2 into 1 is how much? It is 2. So 1, 2 is 2. So how many intersecting points are there? 1, 2. So here this figure represents 2 intersecting points. Now look at the second figure. So in this second figure, how many parallel lines are there? Again 1, 2. In this figure, we have 2 parallel lines. And how many intersecting lines are there? This is 1 and this is 2. So we have 2 intersecting lines in this figure 2. So in the figure 2, these two vertical lines are intersecting these two parallel lines at how many points? Let us see. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 multiplied by 2. 2 horizontal lines multiplied by 2 vertical lines gives 4 intersecting points. 2 2s are 4. So there are 4 intersecting points in this figure 2. Now children, look at the third figure. In this figure, how many parallel lines are there? This is 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 parallel lines. These parallel lines are horizontal. So there are 3 horizontal lines which are parallel to each other. Now how many vertical lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vertical lines are there? There are 4 vertical lines. Now these 4 vertical lines are intersecting these 3 parallel lines at how many points? Let us count. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are how many intersecting points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are 12 intersecting points. Now what is the answer here? Yes, it is 12. So the figure 1 represents 2 intersecting points. The figure 2 represents there are 4 intersecting points. And the figure 3 represents there are 12 intersecting points. So the answer is 12. You can see here there are 12 intersecting points. So the figure 1 represents 2 intersecting points, the figure 2 represents 4 intersecting points and the figure 3 represents 12 intersecting points. So here there are 2 horizontal lines which are parallel to each other and there is one vertical line which is intersecting at 2 points. Now in the figure 2 there are 2 horizontal lines which are parallel to each other and there are 2 vertical lines which are intersecting at 4 points. Now in the figure 3, there are 3 horizontal lines, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 horizontal lines which are intersecting by 4 vertical lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 3 horizontal lines are intersected by the 4 vertical lines gives to 12 intersecting points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the missing number in this math puzzle is 12. I hope you all understand this math puzzle. Please subscribe to Teaching and Learning STEM Concepts. Thanks for watching this video.